after taking a break, my dream was like that of Christians, one of the YouTubers that I follow, that I hope when I make a video again is that it's already a success story, but we don't have the same pace in life, you know. So right now what I will try to record is just the beginning of my journey of becoming a web developer. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I know it's been a long time. The last time I uploaded was about 7 or 8 months ago, and this time I'm restarting my vlogging again. I want to vlog about my web development journey, or becoming a web developer journey. What made me decide to pick this day? Today is my 31st birthday. Yes, and I know I promised myself to become a web developer when I turn 30, and apparently I'm already 1 year late, but I still want it. I still want to become. I'm still a frustrated web developer, and here I am. I'm doing it. I will do it no matter how long it takes. I want to make it a reality. So what made me stop? Life happened. Okay, I lost my job. I got pregnant, and so with that, when I'm pregnant, I'm really grumpy, and as a pregnant woman, I just shut myself down to many other things, and one of the things that I need to set aside is studying. It's just too much for me to learn new skills and those kind of stuff. But right now I'm going back. So as I plan to resume my journey, I had a few choices which school or which online school I will be taking. I had Free Code Camp again as one of my choices, as well as Treehouse, and of course Udemy, or let's include YouTube tutorials. And by the end of it, I chose Udemy, specifically the Brad Traverse's course on HTML. It's called HTML and CSS, including Sass. And I can tell you, this course is fantastic. It helped me gain my confidence again, that what I've tried to learn 3 years ago, which somehow is already obsolete due to existence of ES6 now, and React, and Flexbox. What I've learned before is no longer advisable to use now whenever we do front-end development. But anyway, if you are like me, who wants to go back, or who wants to resume learning, you can try Brad Traverse's course. I know it's just HTML and CSS, but there's a lot to it. For example, HTML, I prefer, if you have learned HTML before using other courses, even if it's Treehouse or that of, you have probably learned the basics before HTML, CSS, and JavaScript through Cold Steel's course, or Udemy, Free Code Camp. Well, I did all those websites. I did all those online learning. Taking Brad Traverse's after quite some time of resting is like affirming what you have learned. It's like the practical application of those other courses, and I just love Brad's way of teaching. It's very well organized and explains why is this, why is that, instead of just focusing on theories. So I haven't finished the course yet, but I'm very excited. I've learned a lot already, and he is using VS Studio Code in the course, unlike with Cold Steel, he just used VS Code right in the middle, or he just injected VS Code, because that's what the industry's leading coding editor right now. So with the use of VS Code, he shared a lot of tips like Emmet and other necessary or valuable plugins. What else? And also, if you browse through the course, you can see that it includes SAS. And one thing that I love is the Netlify. Okay, I know it's crazy, but I just learned Netlify through him. I used to buy my own domain and hosting, and after a year I just let it expire because, you know, I didn't really have the commitment to pursue the learning, although I want it so bad, but life happens and I had to stop for some reason. So knowing Netlify is a great thing for me. I'm so excited to do the projects now. The projects are also well organized, like you can start with the basics first, and then he's gonna add additional knowledge like Flexbox, and then on the next project you're gonna have to apply the Flexbox and, you know, just accumulate the knowledge and apply it accordingly. I think that is more effective, at least on my case. So I'm so excited to learn now, is to commit at least an hour or two a day, nothing more, nothing less, and just take my time. And by the end of the course, I think I can already present a decent portfolio. So I'm so excited about that. My goal is to become a React developer for now. React developer. And we'll see how it goes. I got HTML basics down, CSS basics down, and JavaScript basics down, but I need to learn the Flexbox again and ES6. And I just need to refresh my mind, because I have forgotten already some. But if you focus on the logic of things and not just merely memorizing, I think taking Brad's course will take you where you want to be. Like, it's a good refresher course, so highly recommendable. And again, if you're like me, let's join me on this journey. Let me know how's your progress of trying to learn web development. May you be a career shifter like me, or a student who wants to learn by yourself, self-taught. Although, as Brad said, in one way or another, we are all self-taught. I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. I hope we can all join together and help each other become a web developer. Apologies for any flaws of this video. I'm just so excited to prepare this, but I have limited time. But as I promised, I will make time to do these videos, to monitor my progress and share my progress, to network, because I don't really have much network of developers, because I'm an accountant. So that's all, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.